Good day, sir. My name is Joshua L. Sardenia from B.S. Mari 3 Charlie. And my first question is, how would you respond to and philosophically dispute the issue posed by the most prominent atheist of our day, Mr. Richard Dawkins? The question, who created God? I would address Richard Dawkins' question by pointing out the logical fallacy it contains. The question, who created God, assumes that God requires a creator, which contradicts the very definition of a God as an uncaused first cause or a being that exists necessarily. It is logically possible for God to exist and be the foundation of all existence without needing a creator. Everything has a cause, but there must be an uncaused cause to avoid infinite regress. God is often proposed as this first cause. Therefore, like a domino, it represents a cause and effect relationship. The chain of dominance falling represents the chain of causes in the universe. The first domino that starts the chain represents the God as the uncaused first cause. So without the first domino, the entire chain reaction wouldn't occur. So my second question is, how will you demonstrate and explain the existence of an infinite and intelligent mind using modern science discovery on DNA? So I would argue that the complexity and information encoded in DNA suggest the existence of an intelligent mind. DNA consists of a vast sequence nucleotides. The exact arrangement of the nucleotides is crucial for coding proteins and regulating biological procedures. The sequences in DNA are not random. They carry precise instructions that determine the characteristics of an organism. Therefore, like a complex, intricate watch, this one we have the picture, the watch represents the complexity and precision of DNA. Each gear represents a specific component of DNA and its specific function. The watchmaker represents the infinite, intelligent mind that designed the DNA. Just as the watch requires a watchmaker, DNA requires an intelligent mind or designer. That's all.